Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a permanent hair dye, a natural permanent hair dye that will help you to turn your gray hair to black. Literally, this is actually very effective and it helps your hair shiny, it makes it thick, and it also help your hair grow out long and full. So you want to know what comprises of this ingredients? Do keep on watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. So guys, to turn your white hair to black, to remove all of those gray hair and make your hair look really dark, shiny, you're going to be needing this. Okay, and this is charcoal. You're going to be needing a charcoal. The normal charcoal, you can actually get a blended charcoal just like this one that I have here. Then according to the length of your hair, you can just take in 1 tablespoon of charcoal. One tablespoon of charcoal, this is it. Yeah, and then mixing charcoal with this coffee is going to help you to darken your hair. So this is what I'm going to be needing. Coffee, you can actually, if you don't have grinded coffee, you can use your coffee grain, and then you give this a go, like give this a try, and your gray hair will turn to dark. So put in all of the powdered things first, and then you mix it up. Then the very next ingredient is gonna be this. This is black seed. This is black seed. This is black tiny seeds. Okay, when you use this plus the charcoal, is going to help so much to darken your hair. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be blending it. So I'm going to be grabbing my blender. Put that in, just a little will go a long way guys. Okay, so you get this black seed online. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient we're going to be needing is onion. So you're going to be needing red onion for this ingredient. Okay, so to help to brighten, help to make your hair shiny and grow your hair rapidly. Okay, while the black seeds, charcoal and coffee would help to darken your hair. So I'm gonna be cutting that into pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna be turning that into this blender and try to mix it so that the black seed can as well mix up with it. Now this water is just to enable this whole thing blend. So I'm going to be blending it for 10 seconds. Okay, so this is ready. I would have to be sieving just a little juice inside of here. So after that is done, now time to stir this and mix it. Now it doesn't actually mix quickly, so you have to take a little time to mix it very well. So we're gonna be needing to use just a little bit of coconut oil into this to mix it and mix it properly. So this is how it looks like, and this is your hair dye, natural remedy that would help you to dye your hair permanently. Okay, it will turn your white hair to black, most definitely. So how you're going to be doing this is that you're going to be taking this paste, you're going to be rubbing it on those parts where you are targeting, where you have the gray hair. You rub it there, and then you have to leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours. Cover up something, okay, so it doesn't stain. Okay, so after 1 to 2 hours, you're going to notice that the hair is going to begin to get dark and dark and dark and dark. Okay, so that's how you're just going to be using it. You're going to be using it for just 3 days, and your hair will be permanently dark, and the darkness would be there. Okay, it's not going to like wash off. Okay, and it's going to help to shine your hair and grow your hair equally. Basically, that's what this is going to do, and this is very, very helpful and very effective too. So that's it, guys. That is an amazing permanent hair, an amazing natural permanent hair dye. Okay, and also it is an hair shine. Okay guys, so that's it. That is a perfect permanent hair dye that will help you to darken your hair and turn your gray hair to jet black, grow your hair, make your hair shine literally, and also make your hair look full and grow really, really long. Okay, so if you do love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video, and bye guys.